family toy reveal. Today we have more LOL. Today we have the hair narwhal and the Fresh and Crush. And let's see what it say. Look, there's an A. Now let's start. I want to start with the Fresh and Crush. I have a hair gargle. Now I can fill the hair. And boy, and I read the guide. Now let's see the guide, guys. Now let's see the guide. You got chicken, Viva, because you got jelly beans. Mine is eggy. My one is pink. That was interesting. Guys, this is the one that I really want to get. These are the two. Now let's keep going. Oh, that was easy. See that? Wait, are you always banging the door? Well, first, we need to remove this thingy.
Isaac.
Can you take this white thingy off? Now let's see which color is on the bottom. It's an A again.
Don't open, Basha.
Here's another I Spy. Let's see. There's an A's around there. A laundry basket, Mommy. Laundry basket. Now we're gonna open it. But we have to throw it because we need to get our clothes out. Can you open this for me, Mommy? I want to see the color. What the color is. It's blue, my favorite color. It's so slippery. That's gel.
Wait, you're gonna open. Wait.
Wait. You got the shoe. You also got a shirt. Here's the bottoms. Ew, these are so slippery. Despacito, despacito. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh, there's more shoes. I want to squeeze it. Wow. Yucky hands. Yucky hands. No. There's all the gel. And guys, look, there was an I Spy in there. Look at this cute little top. It's so pretty. I And look at these cute little bottom. Look at these cute little bottom. They match the top. Oh, these are the ruffles for the hand. These are the ruffles for the hand. And here's the little shoe.